Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable network boot on this laptop. First of all, turn your PC on by pressing the power button shortly, and once the power indicator turns on, start pressing F2 button until you see BIOS menu on your screen. Now, using the right arrow key, navigate to main section. Now scroll down using the down arrow key to the network boot, press enter, and then change this value to enabled, press enter again. And if you want to save changes, press F10 and then press enter, or if you want to discard them, then press escape and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.